Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use your laptop's touchpad if it's not working. So recently with the new Windows update, even me myself, I've experienced that my Windows touchpad has stopped working ever since I plugged in a mouse, and even when I disconnected the mouse it would stop working. But recently I fixed that, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix it. So basically what happens is, at first your touchpad will work just fine, but as soon as you plug in your mouse, it stops working, and even if you unplug it, it'll still not work. So it's quite annoying, as some people might want a portable laptop which they can use their touchpad on. But in this video, I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to fix it. So to begin, what we're going to do is head over to the bottom left and open up Windows settings. From there, the next thing we want to do in settings is find the devices tab. From here, we have multiple options such as Bluetooth, printers and scanners, mouse, touchpad, typing, pen and Windows ink, autoplay, and USB. The tab we want to go into is touchpad right here. From there, as you can see, two things you want to make sure is touchpad is on and leave touchpad on when the mouse is connected. As you can see, my PC has a precision touchpad, so that's quite nice. Alongside that, you can change the cursor speed of the touchpad right here and the sensitivity. So here, use tabs to click, right click, and select turn down the sensitivity if they activate while you're typing. Another thing you can enable are these: tap with a single finger to single click, two fingers right click, tap twice and drag to multi-select, press the lower right corner of the touchpad to right click. So make sure those are all on, drag two fingers, scroll, etc., and swipes all this. So actually, let me do this right now. There we go, multitasking view. Show desktop. Let's go back here. And yeah, so it's quite cool. If you want to learn more gestures, they're right here. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.